Hey guys, welcome back. So I am finally reviewing my Kveik Lager. As you can see, it is pretty clear. So this guy fermented in approximately 1 week, and you know, it's pretty much been this clear the whole time once it cold crashed, which was about 5 days or so. It's about a few weeks old now. It's got a really fruity nose. It's almost like tangerine-like in the nose. And I used the Voss Kveik yeast by Lallemand, and I'm wondering if that's giving us the nice tangerine notes. The head is beautiful white. It is a golden straw color. It's pretty much like standard lager looking. You know, it's not as sulfuric as most lagers are, but do we really need that? You know, it doesn't really smell like a lager, but it really does taste like a lager, which I thoroughly enjoy. It's light, refreshing, a little watery, but it's dry enough that it keeps you coming back for more. It's quite good and really drinkable. I'm about to get in the pool because it is approximately 1,000 degrees out here. And this is going to be a good companion for that. Honestly, guys, I brewed this, fermented it at 90 degrees with the Kveik yeast, and it's like a legit lager. It's kind of crazy. I don't even want to call this a pseudo lager anymore because it is so spot on lager. And it's very American style. Like, it's not, you know, it's not your German pills or whatever. It is pretty much a straight American lager. Not as sweet as Budweiser. Definitely has more going on than it does as well. But, you know, you could trick those people in your family who think that craft beer is weird beer into drinking this one, I think. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Definitely make this beer. I promise you. I think you can honestly throw any hops in it and it would be delightful. It's a perfect one for summer. And when it's able to be brewed within a week, you have so much more summer to go where you can be drinking this. I'll see you guys next time. If you want more of me, check out the Patreon. I have a podcast, Brewing After Hours, and I'll see you guys next time.